Proper soil drainage is a critical factor for the success of any gardening or landscaping project. Inadequate drainage can lead to a range of problems, including root rot, poor plant growth, and erosion. To ensure that your garden or landscape thrives, it's essential to understand how to test and improve soil drainage. This video will guide you through the process of assessing soil drainage, identifying problems, and implementing effective solutions to create a healthy and vibrant outdoor space. 1. Testing soil drainage. Before you can begin improving soil drainage, it's important to determine the existing drainage conditions. There are several methods you can use to test soil drainage. Percolation test. The percolation test, commonly known as a perk test, is a straightforward way to assess soil drainage. Dig a hole about 12 inches deep and 6-8 inches wide in the area you want to test. Fill it with water and let it drain completely. Refill the hole and measure the water level at set time intervals, every 30 minutes. If the water drains slowly, your soil may have drainage issues. Observation. Sometimes, you can visually assess soil drainage by observing how water behaves in your garden after rainfall. Puddles, waterlogged areas, or standing water indicate poor drainage. Soil texture analysis. Soil texture can significantly affect drainage. Sandy soils typically drain well, while clay soils hold water. You can send a soil sample to a local agricultural extension office for analysis to determine its texture. 2. Identifying drainage issues. Once you've tested your soil, you may identify one or more drainage issues. Poorly draining soil. If the percolation test or visual observations indicate slow drainage, it's likely that your soil retains too much water, which can lead to root rot and other problems. Erosion. On the flip side, excessively fast drainage can cause erosion and make it difficult for plants to access water and nutrients. Compacted soil. Compacted soil is a common issue in urban and high-traffic areas. It can lead to poor drainage as water struggles to infiltrate the ground. 3. Improving soil drainage. Once you've identified the specific drainage issue in your garden or landscape, it's time to implement solutions to improve soil drainage. Organic matter. Amending your soil with organic matter, such as compost, can improve both drainage in clay soils and water retention in sandy soils. It enhances soil structure and increases its ability to hold water while allowing excess water to drain. Raised beds. Creating raised beds with well-draining soil is an effective way to improve drainage, especially in areas with poorly draining native soil. Installing drainage systems. In areas where poor drainage is chronic, installing subsurface drainage systems, like French drains or drain tiles, can be a long-term solution. Proper grading. Adjusting the slope and grade of your landscape can help direct water away from areas prone to waterlogging. Mulching. Applying mulch to your garden can help regulate soil temperature and moisture, preventing excessive water loss in fast-draining soils. Plant selection. Choose plants that are suitable for your soil type and drainage conditions. Some plants are more tolerant of wet conditions, while others prefer well-drained soil. Maintaining healthy soil drainage is essential for the success of your garden and landscape projects. Testing your soil, identifying drainage issues, and implementing appropriate solutions will ensure that your outdoor space thrives. By addressing drainage concerns, you can enjoy a vibrant and sustainable garden or landscape for years to come.